Hi guys, I'm here to share a very interesting and delicious recipe of aloo bhindi but Seyal style, which is like a Sindhi style. So for that we need cut onions. So I finely cut the onions, then sliced potato. If you go back to my recipe of masala bhindi, you will see the cutting. It's very thin and sliced, and I have put it in warm water. Then tomatoes. So I have taken about 4 onions, and these are 5 tomatoes. I'm going to finely chop these also, and the bhindi. So bhindi, I've cut it from both the sides, and we made a slit. These are the slits in which this masala is going to go, which is of your coriander powder, which is dhaniya powder, turmeric, salt, and little chilli powder. We're going to mix this, and we're going to put it in the slits. In the meanwhile, we have to brown the onions. So I have taken ghee in my cast iron pan. I'm going to on the gas and let the onions brown. Now I have put the onions in the pan, and we're going to allow it to brown. In the meanwhile, we're going to cut our tomatoes and also put the masala in the slits of the bhindi. Now the tomato is all chopped, and I've mixed the masala, and I'm going to add it in the slits here. Meanwhile, the onion is still very cooked. We're waiting for it to brown completely, and then we'll add the tomato. Now, as you can see, I have put the masala in the slit of the bhindi and also covered the potato with the masala. We're still checking on the onion. It needs to brown completely, and make sure that you put a generous amount, because this is the base. The onion tomato is the base of this sabji. So make sure you put a generous amount. So let this brown. Now, as you can see, the onion is brown. So we'll add the chopped tomatoes. And now we put the lid so that the tomato soften a little. So I've added the lid for it to soften. Please make sure do not put any water at all in this mixture. Let it cook on steam by itself. No water at all in this entire recipe, please. Now you can see the tomato has softened. So we'll add our salt and the masala. Adding turmeric. Chili powder. Salt. And coriander powder. You can also add garam masala, but since we want it very mild, we're not going to add any extra masala. Let it mix. Let it cook for another few minutes till it's completely soft. Now, since the tomato is softened, we're going to add the masala to the coated bhindi and the aloo and mix it all. Again, no need to add any water. Just put the lid and let this cook. It's going to take about 15 minutes to completely cook, as the bhindi takes a little more time to cook. I've closed the lid and allowing it to cook on its own. I've also put the tawa down so that it doesn't stick, as we cannot use any water at all in fact. So yeah, let it cook now for 15-20 minutes. So as you can see, the sabji is totally cooked. It's cutting nicely. completely ready, guys. You can pair it with chapati. Or any Indian bread. It's really good, guys. Super easy, and you guys will love it. The main key is that a lot of onion and tomato has to be used. Only then you will get even this much of a sabji. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm just a bit under the weather, so I'll just wrap up the video now. Thank you, bye bye. Please subscribe. Thank you.